It's time for a special Christmas Eve edition of The Latest Health, being sponsored by First Citizens Bank and the Maria Holder Diabetes Center, located in Warren St. Michael, right behind Eunice Gibson Polyclinic. Whether you are diabetic or pre-diabetic, that's where you can find all the diabetic services you will ever need. This is Peter Boyce here, and tomorrow is Christmas, and not only will there be a high consumption of food, but also alcoholic beverages. And you might be thinking, well, as a diabetic, but you know the fellas can still want me to drink something with them. After all, it's Christmas. So as a diabetic, I would like to know, can I still drink alcohol at Christmas? Nutritionist with the Maria Holder Diabetes Center, Victoria Cox, responds.
When it comes to alcohol consumption, whether we're talking about someone who's living with diabetes or just to the general public, my response is always going to be less is best. So you don't want to overdo alcohol in any situation. But if we're specifically thinking of persons living with diabetes, then again, not only do you want to have very few drinks, so maybe only indulge in 1 or 2 alcoholic beverages, you want to choose the ones that have less sugar. So trying to avoid mixing drinks with soft drinks or regular soft drinks. You could use a diet drink or soda water or something like coconut water or just plain water, but avoiding soft drinks and juices. I would also suggest trying to stay away from very sugary cocktails, or there are some cocktail type drinks where you can actually order them and ask for the simple syrup or whatever is being used to sweeten it on the side, where you can really control the amount of sugar that ends up in your actual drink. But definitely just trying to lean towards not overindulging in general. And I will say, especially for persons who take insulin, you don't want to drink alcohol on an empty stomach. So make sure you've had a healthy, balanced meal, because it can actually be such that drinking, having some alcoholic beverages on an evening, as I said, especially for those with insulin, can actually lead them to having a low blood sugar by the next morning or in the overnight period. So don't overdo, choose lower sugar options, and make sure you've had a healthy, balanced meal in advance.
So don't overdo it when it comes to eating or drinking tomorrow. That's the advice from nutritionist Victoria Cox of the Maria Holder Diabetes Center and our sponsor, First Citizens Bank. They put you first. So have yourself a Merry Christmas. Until next time, this has been The Latest Health. And if you're still looking for a special gift for Christmas, consider this.
Share the joy of giving this Christmas. This holiday season, honor your loved ones with a gift that truly makes a difference. Donate to the Barbados Diabetes Foundation in their name and receive a beautiful certificate of appreciation to share. Your donation will support and empower those living with diabetes in Barbados. Give health, give hope, give back. Call 417-0305 or email info@barbadosdiabetesfoundation.org to make your donation today. Together, let's make this Christmas unforgettable.
Just about a couple months ago, Diabetes Foundation, they had called me, Dr. Prophet, send the message that they were doing the eye screening program, and I went and I had my eyes done, both me and my fiance. And I can say that I was well satisfied with the result. Right now, the cataract is under control. I would say yes, that is very good. It's very good for diabetics.
If you are diabetic or pre-diabetic and you need diabetic services, but you need to make your dollar stretch no further than the Maria Holder Diabetes Center. For vascular, podiatry and diabetic eye screening services or consultations with diabetes doctors and nurses, call 417-0305 today. The Maria Holder Diabetes Center, located in Warren St. Michael. They can save your life and save you money. But members get 10% off.
What can make the holidays merrier? More of what matters to you. Whether it's finally getting that new home, covering expenses, or getting a new vehicle, First Citizens Bank's loan solutions are designed just for you. With our fast and flexible loan options, you can focus on what really counts this season. Spending time with family, giving the perfect gift, or starting the new year with more. Apply now and get more of what matters to you. First Citizens, we put you first.